So next is third question. Minimize and maximize. The z is equals to 3x plus 9y subjected to constraints of this as well as x is less than or equal to y. This is the very important question. So in this is which one is this? Okay, it is very, we'll write solution. So first you want to write z equal to 3x plus 9y and subjected to the constraints x plus 3y is less than or equal to 60 and x plus y is greater than or equal to 10 and x is less than or equal to y. So be careful. This is very important problem. So if you get this problem, if you understood this problem, so you can solve any type of problem. This as well as another next problem is there. So in this actually what we have x minus 2y is 0. So these two problems are very important. So see here, similarly, let us take x plus 3y is less than or equal to 60. So what you want to do? Same procedure, x plus 3y equal to 60. So what is the x value? So you want to put here x and y. If you put x value is 0. So if you put x value is 0, 0 plus 3 times of y is equals to 60. So this becomes 0. Y is equals to 60 divided by 3. 1s are 3, 20s are. Here you will get 20. If you put here y value 0. So x plus 3 times of y is 0 equal to 60. So this becomes 0. X is equals to directly you will get 60. What you will get? 60 you will get. So after this you want to find true and false. How to find true and false? You want to put here 0 plus 3 times of y is also 0. So less than or equal to 60. So 0 into anything is 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 is less than or equal to 60. Yes, 0 is less than or equal to 60. So it is 100% correct. So this is true. So after getting true, this you should write second question. So what you want to do? So you want to do the second question. Second line. So let x plus y is greater than or equal to 10. So how to write x plus y equal to 10? So after this you should write one box x and y. So x is 0, y is what? Here x is 0 plus y is equals to 10. So it means y equal to 10. So y is what? 10. If you put here y is 0, if you put y is 0, what you will get? X plus y is what? 0 equal to 10. It means x is equals to 10 you will get. X is equals to 10. So after that you should find true and false. How to find true and false? You should put x is 0 plus y is also 0 is greater than or equal to 10. See, 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 is greater than 10. You just see this. 0 is greater than 10? No. 0 is less than 10. So 0 is not greater than 10. So it is what? False. So when you will get value false, so you should write here values 0, 10 and here 10, 0. So here also you can write the points 0, 20 and 60, 0. So after this, so third line, so this and this is completed. So it is very important. So I will write here. So it is very important. X is less than or equal to y. So you can write x equal to y. See, x is less than or equal to y is there. X comma y is greater than or equal to 0. X is greater than or equal to 0. Y is greater than or equal to 0. Will not use for the finding the equations or finding the points. Will not use this. But x is greater than 0. Y is greater than 0. It is not x and y like that equation. Okay, be careful. So you just see the values. So similarly x, y. X value 0. If you put here 0 equal to y. What is the y value? Y is also 0. If you put x is y is 0, y value if you put 0, so y value x is equals to, what is y value? 0. If you put 0, x also you are getting 0. Whenever you will get 0 comma 0, see here 0 comma 0 and 0 comma 0. Whenever you will get 0 comma 0, so then you should proceed next 2 to 3 points. So what I will do here, I will take x value or y value. How much you want to take, or what is the value you want to take y value. You just see the values 10, 10, 60, 20. In the terms 10, 20, 30, it is there previous problem, previous line. So you want to take 10, 20, 30. If you take y value is 10, so you can say directly x is equals to 10. So it means what is the x value? 10. If you take y value 20, so what you want to take? X is equals to y is what? 20. It means what is the x value? 20. If you take a 30, so what it is? X is equals to y, it is the 30. So it is 30. So after this you want to check true and false. So it is very, very important. X value 0 less than or equal to. Y value is also 0. In the first beginning part, I told you 0 is less than or equal to 0. So it should be a 0 is greater than or equal to 0 is a true, and 0 is less than or equal to 0 is false. So when you will get this, after this you should solve the problem. So you should write here 10 comma 10, 10 comma 10, and 20 comma 20, and here it is 30, 30 comma 30. Okay, so after graphs, so this is what? X axis, this is y axis. In this we want to write the scale. Before that, what is the highest point in this? In this 30 is the highest point, in this 10 is the highest point, in this 60 is the highest point. By observing that, so total 60 is the highest point. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So what we'll do here? So we'll write scale. So scale is in x and y axis 1 centimeter is equals to 10 unit. Okay, so first line, so this is the first line 0 comma 20. So x is 0, y is 20. X is 0, y is 20. 10, 20. X is 0, y is 20. 0 comma 20. And here 60 comma 0. X is 60, y is 0. 60 comma 0. So here we will draw one line and we will give the name for this. So what is the name? X plus 3y equal to 60. X plus 3y is equals to 60. So next is next line. So this 0 comma 10. So it is true or no? It is true. True is nothing but towards the origin. So you should remember. So next line is 0 comma 10. X is 0, y is 10. So y is 10 comma 0. So 10 comma 0. Here 10 comma 0. Here 0 comma 10. So what we'll draw? We'll draw one line and we'll give the name. What is the name of this line? So x plus y equal to 10. X plus y is equals to 10. And another one line is there. So what is that line? Here 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0, again here 0 comma 0, 10 comma 10. So here it is the 10 comma 10. What is here? 20 comma 20, 20 comma 20, and 30 comma 30. So here 30 comma 30. Okay, so 30 comma 30. So we'll draw one diagram. So by seeing this, what is the true and false here? It is a false. False is nothing but away from the origin. So away from the origin. And this line, second line, it is a false. False is nothing but away from the origin. Away from the origin. You just see here, this line is here, this line is this side, and this line is this side. So it means this is the, we will get a feasible region. What we will get? A feasible region. So here you will get points. This is called A. This is a point called A. So we'll write here A, and this is a B. This is a C, and this is D, and this is what? A. So we'll write here. You will write A. So what is the A pointer? A point is 5, 5 actually it is, and B point is 0, 10. C is this. D is what? D point is I think 15, 15. So this is 15, 15. So we'll write what? All the corner points. So here you will write corner points. So what are the corner points? What are the corner points? Is nothing but A of here. A of what? 5, 5. B of 0, 10, and C of 0, 20, and D of 15, 15. 15, 15. So after getting this corner point, we want to write the optimal function. What is the optimal function? So we should write all the corner points and z function A, B, C, and D. So corner point A of, B of, C of, D of is 5, 5, 0, 10. 5, 5 is 0, 10, and 0, 20, 15, 15. 0, 20, 15, 15. So here z value is there. So what is z? 3x plus 9y. 3x plus 9y. So z is equals to 3 into x is 5, plus 9 into 5. So that is equals to 15 plus 45. So this is 60. 60. So this is what? 60. Okay. So next z is equals to 3 into y is x is 0 plus 9, y is 10. So this is 0. This is a 90. And z is equals to 3 into x is 0 plus 9, y is 20. 180. Z is equals to 3 into 15 plus 9 into y value is also 15. So this is a 15, 3 is a 45 plus 135, 140, and it is 180. It is also 180. So this is a 2 marks. So this is also 2 marks, and this is 1 marks. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is the maximum is 180. Here it is maximum. Here it is minimum. So maximum is 180 at C of 0, 20 and D of 15, 15, and the minimum is 60 at A of 5, 5. So this is our solution. Okay. So next problem is, this is the last problem. It's very, very important. The minimize and maximize. So solution. So that is z is equals to 5x plus 10y. So what is this? And under constraints are x plus 2y is less than or equal to 120, x plus y is greater than or equal to 60. And again, x minus 2y is greater than or equal to 0. And x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. You don't want to consider this. So solution, so again, so already we have written solution. So let x plus 2y is less than or equal to 120, x plus 2y equal to 120. So what you want to do here? So x, y. If you take x value 0, if you take x value 0, 0 plus 2y is equals to 120. So 0, just leave it. 2 ones are 2, 60s are. So it is 60. So if you take y value is 0, if you take a 0 plus, x plus 2 times of y is what? 0 equal to 120. This becomes 0, x is equals to 120. So x is equals to 120. You got the point 0, 60 and here 120, 0. Okay. So after this you want to take true and false. So put here 0 plus 2 times of 0 is less than or equal to 120. So 0 into 0, 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 is less than or equal to 120. So 0 is less than or equal to 120. 0 is less than or equal to 120. It is correct. So it is true. So second point. So let us take second point. X plus y is greater than or equal to 60. Okay. So what we will get? X plus y is equals to 60. So if you take a box, so x, y, if you take x is 0, y is directly 60. So if you take y is 0, x is directly 60. So if you put, so what you will get? 0, 60 and here 60, 0 you will get. So whether it is true or false you want to check. So what is this? 0 plus y 0 is greater than or equal to 60. So this is 0 is greater than or equal to 60. So 0 is greater than or equal to 60 is nothing but what? 0 is greater than or equal to 60 is 0 is greater than or equal to 60 is a false. Okay. So if it is a false, so next third equation. So what is the third equation? So it is very important. X minus 2y is greater than or equal to 0. Be careful. X minus 2y is equals to 0. Whenever you will get equal to 0, you should be careful. I will take this side. X is equals to 2y. We can solve this equation. After that, so you should have to write x, y. If x is 0, 0, x is 0 is equals to 2y. So if you bring this side, 0 by 2 is equals to y. So it means 0 is equals to y. So y is also 0. If you put y 0, 0 into anything is 0. X is also 0. So whenever you get 0, 0 and 0, 0, you should proceed next. You should remember what you want to proceed next. So you should see the values 120, 0, 0, 60, 60. So in 10, 20, 30 format only it is there. So you can take y value here. If you put y value 10 to the 20. If you put here y value 20, 20 to the 40. If you put y value 30, so 30 to the 60. You got the values 20, 10, 40, 20, 60, 30. After getting this, you should have to draw the graph. So this is what a graph. So highest value is 120. So highest value is 120. So highest value is 120. So you should draw a proper graph. Okay. So this is what your graph 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100, 110, 120. Scale is in x and y axis. X and y axis 1 centimeter is equals to 10 unit. So first point. So first point is 0, 60, 120, 0. First 0, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, 60. And 120, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 120, 0. So you just see this. So this is the line. So you just give the name for this. What is the name? X plus 2y equal to 120. X plus 2y is equals to 120. So after this, which one is? After this, the line is called second line 0, 60 and 60, 60. 0, 60 here only. Again 0, 60 only. And 60, 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 60, 0. So you should have a line. Okay. And you should give the name for this line. So x plus y is equals to 60. So another one line. So third one line 0, 0. So 0, 0 is 0, 0. So 0, 0 is 0. 0, 0, 0. 20, 10. X is 20. Y is 10. See here. Okay. Next. 40, 20. X is 40. Y is 20. Y is 20. Okay. So next. 60, 30. So 60, 30. So 60, 30. Okay. 60, 30. 60, 30. So after that, what you will get? So you just join the lines. So this is what your line. So here actually true false we want to put here. So this line is what? True or false. So here very important, that is 0 minus 2 times of 0 is greater than or equal to 0. So it is 0 is greater than or equal to 0. So I told you last 0 is greater than or equal to 0, true. So this is what a true. True is nothing but towards the origin. Towards the origin. Next, second line, that is white color line. This is false. False is nothing but away from the origin. So it is away from the origin. So this is away from the origin. Okay. Next, first line. So this is true. So what is that true? So true is nothing but towards the origin. So whatever the line is there, so that line is called towards the origin. It means this side, towards the origin. So here you will get common region. So what is that common region? So this is the common region. This is what a common region. Here you will get A, this is a B, this is a C, this is a D. So A, B, C, D. So here you want write B value. This is I think 40 and this is 10, 20, 20. And here C value you will write. So actually it is a 60. I think so 60. In a graph it is exactly will get after this. When you will see this video, after immediately you should solve these 4 problems. Okay, if you need more problems, you just put in the comment box. Okay, so this is 60 and it is 30. Okay, 60, 30. X is a 60, Y is 30. Y is here 30. Okay, so after getting this, D is there. After getting this, you want to write the corner points. So what you want to write the corner points? So corner points So A of 60 comma 0, A of 60 comma 0, B of B of 40 comma 20, B of 40 comma 20, comma C of 60 comma 30, 60 comma 30, and D of 120 comma 0, 120 comma 0. So this is for 1 marks and this is for 2 marks, 3 marks, and you want to prepare optimal function. Optimal function. Optimal function. What is optimal function? First you want to prepare the box. A, B, C and D. So this is what corner point and Z value. What is Z value? So Z value is 5x plus 10y. 5x plus 10y. So A of 60 comma 0, B of 40 comma 20, C of 60 comma 30 and D of 120 comma 0. So here Z is equals to 5 into 60 plus 10 into 0. So this becomes 0. This is 300. So this is what 300. So okay. So next Z is equals to 5 into X value is 40 plus 10. Y value is 20. So that is equals to 200 plus this is also 200. That equal to 400. Next Z is equals to 5 into X is 60 plus 10 into Y is 30. That is 300 plus this is also 300, that is equals to 600. Last one Z is equals to 5 into 120 plus 10 into 0. So that is equals to 0. So this is what 600. So this is 600. Which one is the minimum? This is the minimum. These two are the maximum. So you should write here. This is for 2 marks. So the maximum is 600 at C of 60 comma 30 and D of 120 comma 0. The minimum is 300 at A of 60 comma 0. So this chapter is closed. Thank you.